Oh, hello, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Lady B. Sorry guys, you are not seeing my face today, but today we are going to be cooking tomato stew. So these are all my meat, tomato paste, and my frying oil. So in this place guys, I added my cow leg, my kpomo, so I couldn't slice it, so I added it, and now I'll be adding all the meat, goat meat, chicken, turkey, cow food, everything are in here, so I'll be adding it. And I added all my spices: rosemary, thyme, garlic, ginger, turmeric, curry powder, black pepper, and so on guys. So now I will close it, cover the pot, and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Then when it's 30 minutes, we'll come and check on it again. My meat guys, my meat has been cooking for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to be taking it out from the gas cooker. So I'm still going to be using same pots to prepare my stew. So this is my pot. I'll wait and allow it to dry out. So I didn't bother to wash it. I just put it like that. So now I'll be adding my oil. That one will be okay for me. After that, I'll be adding my onion, and I'll be adding some tomatoes paste. So I will stir, because I'm not going to be adding anything, because I added enough in my meat stock. So I'll leave it here to be here for another 3 to 4 minutes. For 2 to 3 minutes. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be adding my blended onion and my blended fresh pepper. Stir it together and allow it to be here for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll be adding my meat. These are my meat. I'll be adding it inside so that I can cook more. Everything I'll be adding inside. It's so hot guys. I prefer using hand, because with hand is faster. So like this, you avoid the tiny bone in here. Feel free to fry yours, guys. If you want to fry it, feel free to fry it. Me, I'm not frying mine, and that is why I'm doing it this way. I'm taking out the bay leaf. It fell inside, so I don't need it inside. So what I do now, I stir everything together, and I will add my tomato. So this is the thing. I'll pour everything in there. So I did it like this because it's going to cook faster like this. When you drain your tomatoes before cooking it, it will cook faster. Now what I will do, I will add 1 Maggi cube and some salt and cover to cook. That is the only thing I will do now. So this is okay. This is the nut cube that I used before, the half that is remaining. So I will stir together, and after that I'll cover it and allow it to cook again. You see, guys, the stew is ready. The taste is out, and I'll be adding some stock water to it, so that it can cook more for another 5 to 10 minutes. So stir together and cover to cook more and more. Final stage of this recipe, tomato stew. So if you like the way I cook it, like it, comment, share, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.